I've been wanting to start on this project for a few days now, but it's been raining pretty good here, and as you can see, my garage is really nice, so because I don't have one, so I couldn't do it. But here's what I'm gonna be doing. I got this frame here for a tractor. I bought another tractor for 75 bucks a while ago, but they hit something with the front end of it and bent the hell out of it and broke the frame right here. And this is all pushed back, but the motor and everything else is in really good shape on it. So I happened to get this frame here. So what I'm going to do is take everything off of this one. Hopefully I can strip all the body off of this and put my body on this one and just use the frame here and the motor and stuff. I'm going to take it over right now and give it a good wash because there's a lot of grease and stuff on it. So we'll go over to the car wash and I'll meet you there. Okay, we're out my dad's now. I was gonna show you it at the car wash, but they were playing music. I forgot they do that, and YouTube don't like that, so I couldn't show you. But as you can see, I got all the grease off it. Gave her a good scrubbing. Missed one spot right in there, but I can take a putty knife and some stuff I have and get that off. That ain't no big deal, but I'm hoping that my other tractor's body will fit on this one. No, that's why we're out here. I'll show you it. Like I said, I paid 75 bucks for it. It's got a 15 horse motor in it. Good tractor. Just one of the people that owned it before plowed into something and with the front of it and smashed it up. So here's the one I'm gonna be putting on there. It's got a Kohler 15 horse on it. I don't know if you can see how it's bent there. There's a crack in the frame right there above the axle there. You can see right here it's all bent to hell. So they really nailed something with it. The deck's messed up too. I have another one, but it's too bad because this deck's in good shape and the other one I have has holes in it. So there is some rust on this one, but hopefully I can dig this thing out here pretty soon. The only difference is the tanks under here. I'm hoping it's the same width and everything, so they put the tank up underneath the hood. Why, I don't know. I don't know if this tank's broken, or but once I get this all ripped off, I'll check it out and hopefully it'll be alright and I can use this tank and put a new line on it. I don't know, I'm hoping. The seat's kind of screwed up, but I'll sand it down, give it a coat of paint, and some of this stuff here. I'll just sand all this stuff down, paint it up, and give it some rust treatment here. But this is in a lot better shape than that body is, so hoping I can just unbolt it. And so it looks like everything just bolts right to it, so we'll see what happens to get this one out of here, take it to my house and start tearing her down. I don't know. Thought I'd give you a starting of this project. I would have liked to have done the bus, but I've had so much stuff going on this year. We just got married a few days ago. I just haven't had the time. Hopefully next year, or maybe I can get the other one stripped down at least get it stripped this year, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But thanks for watching. Hopefully I can give you an update soon on this, if it quits raining for 2 minutes. We'll get this thing going. Wish I had a place with a garage. It'd be really nice. I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Enjoy life. Bye.